Welcome to day 21 of the challenge. 3 weeks in, proud of you. We're in the home stretch now, and in today, we're gonna add our automated webinar video to our webinar. I'm gonna jump into the software again. I'm gonna show you how you can add your video. Now, I mentioned editing a little bit before, so if you've decided to record your video outside of Webinar Ninja and you want to do some editing, this is the day you want to do it, to trim things up, to clean it up. If you've recorded it with a live webinar, a test webinar inside of Webinar Ninja like I showed you yesterday, you're pretty much good to go. You can use that as a source, or if you want to download it like I mentioned and do some editing and then upload it back into Webinar Ninja, you can do that. This is what I'm going to show you today. But if you want to do any editing, do that today. Get that done so we can move on tomorrow. But if you're set to go, you have your video on your computer or you have your video already recorded inside of Webinar Ninja, we're going to use it now inside our automated webinar. Let me show you how it's going to get done. I'll see you inside the software. All right, we're inside of Webinar Ninja, our account, and I'm at My Webinars. Here's my automated webinar I want to edit. So we're going to go to the triple dots here on the top right-hand corner of the box and hit Edit. Now, when I edit, I'm going to be able to then go ahead and change the video that is representing this webinar, that's going to be used. So I'm just going to add a video on the bottom here. I have add video files. Just click this. And this is where I can upload my own video right here. We accept MP4 and MAV files. It's the most common video files there is. So just hit browse and you'll be able to add the video straight into Webinar Ninja from your computer. Now, if you're using a replay, the recording that you had from that live webinar that you did to shoot your webinar inside of Webinar Ninja, just go select from library and you can choose from the ones that you've uploaded. We don't have anything uploaded here, that's why it's blank. But just go to replays and you'll see all your replays listed right here, and you can just choose it and add video. That's simple. After that, hit save and you're good to go. This is important. We want to make sure we add our video so that it's all set to go. We got a few more finer details we need to get through to be able to launch this automated webinar. Make sure you've added your video before the end of today, because tomorrow we're moving on. All right, I can't wait to see you tomorrow. I'll see you in the next video the next day.